This is how you use the spell check function in Google Docs. After I finish typing and I've tried to fix all my spelling mistakes, I can have the computer check. I go here to Tools. Right at the top, it says Spelling and Grammar, and it opens this. Now, I always want these two check boxes to be on because they'll show me the suggestions. I'm going to put a check there. Let me go back to it. Now those are both on, so you can make sure that yours are always on so they show the little lines. At the end, I can just do the final check by clicking Spelling and Grammar Check. And it will pop up. Now, I'm not always going to accept. I want to see if that's the correct thing. So I can go down and it highlights where it is. But the kids, were already running. Do I want where or were? I think I want were, so I'm going to click Accept. And going, let's see, they think going should be like that. I agree. I click Accept. To take notes, so they do a list of clues. They're telling me I should say did a because it's in the past. If I agree, I click Accept. If I disagree, I click Ignore. Okay? So you can choose what it's supposed to be. When I'm all done, it'll tell me that I don't have any more and I can click the X.